I am loving it here.
Ouch!
Take a chill pill, Susie.
Wow!
A massive golden donut. Amazing. Mine's not nearly as glamorous. Make your peace with it. The best and the most expensive things are coming to me.
Yeah!
The sauce is pouring on so smoothly. It's the perfect addition. Well then, time to eat. It's phenomenal. A tiara? Thank you. It fits like a glove. I wonder if something similar will happen when I eat my donut. Help me! Where's my crown? This is not what I was hoping for. On the bright side, all these toppings are pretty good. Chips? Yes, please. Your can is pretty typical, but mine looks like it was made from gold. Chips themselves, too. They go perfectly with chocolate. I just can't make myself stop. That was amazing. Finally, it's my turn to pop this open. These aren't chips, they're raw potatoes. Ugh, so gross. These don't compare to chips at all. Poor Susie, you're forced to suffer once again. It's time to put an end to this. I'm going to upend her snacking fun. I think I'll gather chocolate right into the can. Why didn't I do this earlier? I wouldn't be so sure that's wise. Just look at how it turned out. Where'd this potato come from? Calm down, we'll get it out now. I almost died. Oops. What a fancy banana, all covered in jewels. And I got the boring yellow one. Aren't you used to that?
Wow!
No! What a nightmare. Want to trade? Of course I do. Let's do it. Sometimes the simpler version is the better one. And this banana looks perfect. Mmm, yum. A bug! Get this off me right now! Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. It's on the table. Ooh, what colorful lollipops. And I get nothing at all. You win some, you lose some. What can I say?
Wow!
You can watch me, though, and see how much I enjoy mine. But that isn't fair. I'll just grab one of these. No big deal, right? Hands off! Well, then I'll have to get sneaky. I'll make my own sucker. Turning out pretty good. All that's left is to paint it. It looks like the real thing. Wow! Where did you get that? I want it. Oh, I don't know about that.
Oh, man!
I guess I could sell it to you. Fantastic! Here, take it all. Nice doing business with you. Take it.
Wow!
And I'm going to quickly get down to business. Bam! 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 Just what I needed. This will make it a lot easier to eat with the chocolate. The best dessert ever. I'll sink my teeth into mine too. What a weird taste. It's more like cardboard than anything else. Burgers, nice. I'm starved. I'm ready to inhale this thing. Oh, I almost forgot to put on gloves. Pour on the sauce. I can try it now. That can't be the best combo. Actually, it is. Susie, watch where you're throwing those. You just about ruined my makeup. Oh, what I wouldn't give to eat that. Don't even dream about it. It's all mine. I'm gonna cover it in chocolate and then dig in. Tons of coins. I need to get rid of all these so I don't chip a tooth. You're so lucky. I could use these coins. A whole watermelon? Interesting.
Wow!
Well, my rind is encrusted with precious jewels. I'm in 7th heaven.
Wow!
So juicy. How am I gonna cut this thing? Maybe brute force will work. Haha, nice. This big spoon will work perfectly. Learning some manners wouldn't hurt you. What are you talking about? I'm gonna fill this up with chocolate.
Yeah!
And then drink it all up. She's enjoying all that way too much. I wonder what she'll make of the special ingredient I added to it. I've still got the second half of my melon. Done and done. It's time for more of the good stuff. What? I'm gonna explode! Keep it away from me! Look away! Pizza! Ooh! Or in my case, one sad slice of the stuff. Ooh, cash! No way. I like this spread even more than the real stuff. With this money, I could head off to Italy and order a box of authentic pizza. Hello, are you in there? Hey! Oh, my pizza. Thanks. This is for you. Well, this is unusual.
Wow!
And I couldn't be happier. All that's left is to layer on more sugar. Ugh, per the usual, she gets all the best dishes. And now for this slice. I'm not just gonna sit here. I can't. And I'll give you my pepperoni in exchange. Disgusting! Ugh. What, you don't like it? Because I'm super happy with this.
Oh, man!
What should I write?
Wow.
My drawing is turning out perfectly. I feel inspired to write a poem. What a boring magazine! Who is that? Dunno. Go see, will ya? It's a delivery guy. Flowers for you.
Wow.
They're beautiful. For me? Thank you. Aw, man.
Wow.
Wonderful. Who are they from? It doesn't say. Then maybe they're mine?
Hey.
What about me? No, they're for me. Mine. They were sent to me.
What?
What's happening? Stop. I'll hold on to these for now. And that, please. Let's see. For me?
Hey.
No name. I've got it. Ladies, follow me if you will. Where are we? What's going on? I don't know. Me neither. You all ready? That bouquet is so pretty. I know.
Wow.
So pretty. Your attention, please. Whoever paints it best gets it. What a great idea.
Hey.
Your time starts now. Not much of it either. What color should I use? Looks similar, right? Oh, I know what to do. The card!
Hey.
This is coming together. Time's up. Show your work, Q3. Good, right?
Hey.
What about mine? Here's what I need. Nice, and… what's that? It's the card!
Oh.
All right. Lovely. The card's yours.
Hey.
And the flower's mine? Or mine? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Yours. Yay! I'm so happy.
Wow.
They smell so nice. I'm the only one left with nothing. Girls, I actually have another package. A whole box of sweets.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Hey.
No way. Awesome. The seconds are ticking. I suck at drawing. How can I beat them? Ooh. What the heck? Oh no.
Ew.
Oops. I'm so sorry, girl. It was an accident. Look at this. Yeah, that's rough. Ugh, what is wrong with this cup? You won't beat me that easy. Thank you, tape. All right, brushes down. How did she do that? I barely started. Oops, mine got a bit wet.
Hey.
Well, my painting is perfect.
What?
Slim pickings. Clearly Charlotte won.
Wow.
Yes, The candy is mine. There's so much in here.
Wow.
That magical cup cost me the prize.
Ooh.
This next box is a little smaller. What's in it? Ooh, maybe a phone? Or a vase? I'm hoping for something sparkly.
No, 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 no!
One more thing. You'll be painting blindly. Wait, what? Get to work. Where's my paint? That's easier. Oh. Hey! Okay, let's take a look. Sophia is doing terribly good. How about you do my work for me? As you wish, Susie. Time's up.
Ooh.
Oh, what the heck? Very funny. That's what you get. Stop messing around already. But I've got nothing. I didn't do half bad. You got that right. Here.
Wow.
Yay! Oh wow, a jar? Lame. I'll turn it into a vase. Ooh,
Wow.
a necklace? It's gorgeous. Get painting. My skills have not improved. But I'm still smart. Perfect. That piece of jewelry is mine for sure. What do we have here? Amazing. What a joke. That looks awful. You all are out of time.
Hey!
Look!
Oh.
Pretty good, girls.
Gosh.
Holy moly, Susie.
Wow.
What an interesting approach. Your creativity wins.
Wow.
What? You're joking. How do I… Whatever. This is cute too. Too small for your big head? You're just jealous. There's one more prize up for grabs, guys, and you'll have to draw me to get it. Huh? Why? Those are the rules. Oh, all right. If you say so. Okay, then. The eyes, his neck. First, a silhouette. Main thing is to get the proportions right. Maybe this pose is better? Or I can stand like this. The sand has slipped through already. I'm an artist. Here's my interpretation. That's me?
Wow.
Cool.
Hey!
What do you think of mine?
Oh.
Oh man, I'm handsome. I can sense that you're very strong.
Oh, wow.
Wow, look at my biceps. Oh, I just don't know. Me. Mine. You know it's me. You're right, Susie.
Wow.
Yes! This is amazing. Here's your prize. What? My prize?
Yeah. What, you don't like me?
Really? Here's your prize.
Gotta run.
That's what she gets for cheating. Right? I want a real prize. Why did I even try? What a waste. Guys, I'm getting nervous. I think this guy's about to blow. This is the 21st rubber band, and on it goes.
Don't sweat it, it's all good.
Jacob's right. We still have plenty to go. Alright, I accept that challenge. Let's do this. More and more. We've used so many already. Almost there. Whoa! A serious explosion just took place here. Now there's watermelon everywhere, including on my glasses.
It worked!
Wow!
Hey!
That was so worth all the time it took.
Wow!
I suggest we continue with our 100-layer challenge.
Wow!
I'm down, especially if we're talking about sandwiches like this. Oh man, this is so good.
Yeah, well, next to mine, yours is super tiny.
Ooh, you should take a look at mine, Jacob. This is insane. I cannot believe how high the sandwich tower goes.
Wow!
Now to figure out how in the heck I'm meant to come at this thing. I can't even get one bite. I think I might need tools for this. Nope, too small. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna demolish this real quick.
Jessica, stop!
Well, that didn't exactly work out the way I hoped it would, but at least I can eat now.
No, 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 no!
She ruined her dish. I can't believe what I just witnessed.
One piece of gum? How sad. This isn't nearly enough. Wow. Me, I've got a whole pack.
Wow!
Check this out. Now you can say wow.
Well, aren't you the lucky one? This tiny amount isn't really good for anything. See, I can't even blow a normal bubble. Did you seriously just spit gum at me? I'm gonna chew up all of mine and get you back for that. Look, how amazing is this bubble, you guys? I know you're jealous.
I'm pretty sure I can beat that record, given that I've got more gum than I know what to do with. My bubble is gonna be crazy big. Oh, my mouth is full. Y'all ready for this?
I cannot believe it.
Someone grab me. Ooh, I'm floating away.
Oh, he's hitting the ceiling. I can stop this.
Thanks, Jess. You saved me.
Countless layers of chocolate cake is a dream come true.
Wow!
I've really lucked out this time. I'll take this opportunity to make a wish while I'm at it. Weird. I can't blow out the candle. I just need to try harder. What? I'm dying over here.
Hey!
What are you two just sitting there for? Help me. And together. Still no good. I'm not giving up just yet. No way.
What do you think she's doing?
I've got my trusty fire extinguisher. Let's do this. Okay, this has to have done it.
What the heck did you just do, Charlotte?
Oops.
Ooh, sorry guys. Ugh, and the candle is still burning. This isn't happening. There's no way my wish is coming true. One tiny little wafer cookie. What a bummer. And Jacob has a cookie skyscraper. Whoa, that thing is practically touching the ceiling.
Wow!
I'm so happy right now. Where should I start? I think I'll be taking the Jenga approach to this bad boy and go ahead and pull out one wafer. Phew, it worked.
Mind if I join the game? I got one. Jess? Oh, I don't know. It all looks so shaky. Alright, if I'm careful, I should be fine. I think I'll go for this cookie. Oh no!
Well, you destroyed that.
I knew I wouldn't be able to win. Now there are cookies everywhere.
And they're all yours, too.
Mine? Okay then, I'll get started.
Whoa, is she a competitive eater or something?
These are quite tasty. Yummy. Those were lovely. You guys should have joined in.
Oh.
Pancakes, my fave.
Wow.
Can't say I'm mad about all these fluffy pancakes either.
Ooh. You would say that since you've got another tower, and I've just got one that's stuck to my plate.
I am seriously hungry over here. I can't wait to eat all of these.
Oh god, that looks delicious. I want to get a taste too. Just you wait, Pancake. I'm gonna get you off this plate if it's the last thing I do.
Oh.
Charlotte, you hit me.
I'm so sorry. I'm just really hungry. But I guess I'll be going without.
No, you won't. Here, Charlotte.
Is that really for me? Thank you, you're the best. Oh, and so is this. Jacob, sorry about that. Seriously. Oops.
Why is everyone hitting me today? And what is this?
Doesn't look very good.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this.
Oh.
I've got a whole pile of it.
I think it's wasabi.
Ew.
And that stuff is super spicy. Actually, it wasn't bad.
Well then, I'll try mine. Ah, hot!
Oh, that means my mouth is gonna be on fire after I eat all this.
No, 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 no!
Oh, it burns! Help me! We have to do something.
I've got water. That was kinda overkill. Bread? How boring. I know how to improve this dish with a bit of jam. Now that's much more like it. 3 slices. That means I can use different spreads, like some apricot jam and a bit of Nutella, for example. I'll stack this up and then… it's missing something. Close, but still not enough whipped cream.
Hey.
Perfect. It looks like a whole cake now. Yum.
I had no idea Charlotte could be such an animal. Nice beard you've got there.
It was all worth it.
Well, look at all this bread. I can make all kinds of snacks with this much. Cheese and peppers.
Hey.
Not bad, but I can do better. I need jelly and salami, ketchup, bacon, Nutella, of course, maybe some vegetables, jam, and I can't forget candy and whipped cream. Phew, I think that's it. Aw, but none of this would taste good together.
Should have thought that out first. What's this? Red cabbage?
Oh.
Not bad, I like that stuff.
A whole head of cabbage? Why me? This is too much. I can't even get my teeth into it.
I think I'll peel off a few layers before I start. That's gonna take a while. Oh, it's just me. What's she doing? I'm trying to sort out all this cabbage. What don't you get? There. Now this is much more manageable.
Ew.
Ew. I shouldn't have put in the effort. Gross. If you don't want it, I'll finish that. Whoa, there's money in here. Oh, $20.
Wow.
Ugh, why did I give up at the last minute?